Today we are making a $3,000 worth of lemonade. This is not a clickbait title, this is the real value of the recipe I'm going to share with you today. We are doing 3 recipes. One classic recipe will be lime and lemon. One of them is going to be vitamin boosting, beautiful, refreshing, tropical flavor lemonade, passion fruit with strawberries. The other one, energy boosting, mate ginger, which is gonna give you an outstanding boost to start your day. I'm sharing you the secret which I've been carrying with myself since my childhood, how to do a perfectly balanced, mind-blowing lemonade. Stay with me till the end of the video, so I will share why does it worth $3,000. Lemonades are really simple to make. All what you need to do to find the perfect balance between the sweet and the sour. When you find the perfect balance and bring the flavors in complete, beautiful harmony, then you can experience how the perfect lemonade tastes. For the classic lemonade, I'm using sugar, lemon juice. Always use freshly squeezed only. It's full of vitamin C and the taste cannot be compared to the bottled one. And the touch of lime. If you don't have a squeezer, you can use also a spoon. Then I'm adding mineral water to fill up the glass. Stir it as long till the sugar dissolves. It's gonna take just a couple of seconds. Don't forget to leave space for the ice. The lemonade needs to be perfectly chilled and ice cold. So let's do the next one. I'm going to do exactly the same base with the sugar, the lime and the lemon, but I will add strawberry puree and fresh passion fruit, which has amazing aroma and beautiful acidity. I have some defrosted strawberries. I will make a puree out of it. Then the sugar. I will put just a little bit less because the strawberry is sweet itself. Then the lemon juice, lime juice, a couple of drops, the passion fruit. The passion fruit is something that I really love. It's an amazing tropical fruit. These ingredients are bringing your lemonade to the next level. In the end, the ice cold water. And mix the ingredients until the sugar perfectly dissolves. This is awesome. The acidity of the passion fruit combined with the strawberry is just really perfect. Once you try this, you never go back again to use ready bottled products. Very good. And our last combination, the energy boosting version, is going to be with the mate tea, which contains a lot of caffeine. So it's the best drink to boost your day only in the morning, never before you're going to sleep. The mate is a South American tea. First I'm adding 3 spoons in a glass. Then I put cold water, let the mate to soak it. It helps to maintain its nutrition and it has many health benefits. I need hot water, it cannot be boiling, it should be around 80 degrees. Mate tea with ice is very refreshing. I get a piece of ginger, peel it with the back side of the knife, just scrape off the peel, then I chop it in small pieces. And adding to the hot liquid. Put it on the side to infuse and let it chill. And then I prepare the same base for the lemonade, what we did before with the sugar and the lemon juice. When the mate and the ginger infuse in the liquid, I strain it straight in the glass. Stir again until the sugar dissolves. And the versions of 3 lemonades are done. The lemonade is ready, come to try!
Thank you. This is amazing. So refreshing.
So here we are with the $3,000 worth of lemonade recipe. This is how much it's worth, this recipe, in case you consider to open your lemonade business. Because once they will try and taste, for sure all of your neighborhood will come back to you and you will generate $3,000 income just from the lemonade, thanks to its perfectness. Please subscribe to our channel and share our video to help us to get back this recipe's value. Thanks for watching, learn, subscribe and mix your lemonade properly.